jingle dance namin po. Yung jingle dance po namin sa Nutrition Month. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. Healthy life is on the way. Healthy life is on the way. Tama ba ang food today? Masustansya ba okay? Healthy life is on the way. Ba ang food today? Malunggay rising with healthy life is on the way. Eat healthy, don't delay. Tawag kain everyday, pagkain ay sarap. Sama-sama tayong lahat. Di magpapauhaw tayo sumayaw. Sabay-sabay tayong lahat. Eyo, eyo, oh hashtag healthy, oh healthy life is on the way. 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 Come on, eat some healthy food. Ay, ulit. Ganun na. Come on, eat some. 5, 6, 7, go. Sa ganun. 5, 6, 7. Sa pa nga. Ano kaya, G? 5, 6, 7, go. Come on, eat healthy food. We love it to improve. But while you could, keep dancing is always good. Eat healthy, don't delay. Tamang kain, everyday pagkain ay sarap. Sama-sama tayong lahat. Di magpapauhaw tayo sumayaw. Sabay-sabay tayong lahat. Healthy life is on the way. Healthy life on the way. Healthy life on the way. Balance what you eat, malunggay rising with. Healthy life is on the way. 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 So, yun na po yung jingle dance namin. Medyo nakalimutan na lang namin.